As a sales rep, your day begins with a daily mobile sales brief via conversational digital assistant. Reviewing tasks to prepare for your day and even ask questions by voice. At your desk, the personalized CRM workspace surfaces a highly qualified lead as today's priority. An accurate, complete customer view plus AI and machine learning reveal a high win probability. Account record and past purchase history are available for existing customers like this lead. See other real-time and lifetime customer intelligence like service requests. See all company marketing interactions from your customer. She's been browsing your website and looking at emails. Let's engage, quickly and easily, with approved content and templates. Setting up a time to talk. To prepare for the sales call, you discover your customer's company updates via real-time signals sourced from validated sources. Because of your efforts, the customer decides to buy. Next, configure specific customer requirements for an optimal quote price using Oracle CPQ. And in deal management, view win probability for your product pricing. Before finalizing the quote, suggest a subscription option to facilitate future product orders and generate savings over time. Verify the customer's location in the CRM account profile, and their record is automatically identified, matched, and merged across all applications.